Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G10 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Nokia. First of all, find calendar and tap on it. Then you need to click on the month above and pick a date. When you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also choose location over here, choose while using the app or only this time, type it, and click on the correct one. Then you can set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes and even invite people from your contact book. When you're done, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!